Hey everybody, if my audio sucks, it's because I'm using the built-in mic. For the next week I will not be here. I'll be home next Saturday. I'm going camping with my scout troop. So I will not be on Twitter or won't be on Twitter or any other networks. And that means no videos. I've been really busy this week going to band camp, and leave in a couple hours. Gonna get to bed here soon. Finished packing. So, going camping. It's gonna be fun. Camping, summer camp. So, kind of seem energyless, I guess you could say. I'm kind of tired. And, going camping. Like I said, for the third time. Feel free to tweet me at Reverend Riley on Twitter, and when I get back, I'll respond. And kind of have an idea for a video for when I get back. So, hope I don't die in the woods. I'll be fine, to be honest. I go with the flow. So, thanks for watching. I'll be back in a week. So, later everybody.